Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso, your dedicated mods marketplace. And as you can see, we're not in our studio. We are at KW Suspension in Clovis, California at their headquarters, where we've been partnering with them on development of a new coilover kit for our C8 Corvette. Now, they've developed the Variant 3 already. This is gonna be the Club Sport kit, and we've made a separate video about the engineering that's gone into that and a product spotlight video to help you understand all the features and functionality that go into that. We'll put links to that in the description. Now, in this video, we're gonna be showing you step-by-step how to do the installation on your C8 Corvette. It's pretty straightforward. Luckily, Chevrolet designed the car to be nice and easy to swap out these parts, so we're really excited. We're also gonna be doing a test day at Buttonwillow with a professional driver and doing the final stages of development and tuning on this coilover kit. Now, of course, you can shop for this and all other KW suspension products at Motoroso.com. We are an authorized dealer. Hit us up on live chat or call us at 833-MOTOROSO. That's 833-668-6767. Let's get started with this install. Now, because the ride height is gonna change when we put our coilovers on, we're gonna go ahead and measure the stock ride height. Now, if you have a stock C8 Corvette, you can lower it by just loosening the spring preload, but then of course it's gonna ride more sloppy. And so of course with the coilover kit we're putting in, we have actual ride height adjustment that is independent from spring preload. We'll do all the other setup stuff later, but initially let's just test the ride height, actually measure this properly so we can show you how low the vehicle is after we put the coilovers on.
You'll need for this job include 21 and 24 millimeter wrenches, a half-inch ratchet, 10, 13, 19, and 21 millimeter sockets, a pry bar, and a 6 millimeter Allen. Open the frunk on your C8 and remove the frunk's outer plastics, pulling straight up out of the clips. If equipped with magride suspension, you'll need to disconnect the connectors on the top of the strut towers. Undo the three 13mm top hat nuts. The rearmost nut is a bit difficult to get to and it will require a swivel bit or extension. Remove your front wheels. Remove the 21mm nut and bolt for the lower mounting point. Have a friend pry down on the lower control arm and remove the coilover. The new KW coilovers are much smaller and can slide into place much easier without prying on the lower control arm. Slide the lower 21mm mounting bolt into place and tighten down. Install the supplied 13mm nuts on the upper mounts and tighten them down. Connect the supplied resistor override module for magride so your car doesn't get angry and talk shit to you. Reinstall the frunk plastics, starting with the center and then the sides. Moving to the rear, undo the magride connectors and the three 13mm nuts for the upper mount of the strut. Now remove the rear wheels. Remove the end link from the sway bar with a 10mm and a 19mm wrench. Remove the end link fully by removing the 19mm nut from the coilover lower mount. Pop the brake lines out of the mounting bracket and remove the bracket with a 10mm socket. Remove the lower ball joint with a 6mm Allen and 19mm ratcheting wrench. The guys at KW fashioned up a strap to the lower control arm with a foothold so they could use their body weight to pull the arm out of the way during removal and installation, but you can use a pry bar here as well. Remove the OEM coilover. You might need some help holding the hub in place. Snake the new KW coilover up into the mounting position. Reinstall the ball joint into the drop knuckle using the OEM hardware. Reinstall the 10mm brake line bracket and press the brake lines back into place. Reinstall the end link on the lower mounting point of the coilover, then into the sway bar, holding it with a 10mm on the outside and a 19mm ratcheting wrench to tighten it up. Install the 19mm nut on the lower strut mount and end link and tighten it down. Install the supplied 13mm nuts on the top hat. Install the supplied resistor module again to the magride connector and zip tie it into place. Reinstall your wheels and make sure you go get a quality alignment.
All right, there you have it. That installation's pretty straightforward, definitely easy as far as step-by-step instructions go. Hope you enjoyed it. This is now riding 1 3/8 inch lower than stock. It looks way better than it did when it first rolled in here. It's definitely too tall from the factory, looking really nice now. We've got no rubbing issues whatsoever. It's about as low as we would go though. And of course, because you have the ride height adjustment, you can change that and adjust that however you need. Now the final damping settings and everything we would tell you, but that has not been determined yet. So we're going to Buttonwillow to finish testing on July 24th, then Laguna Seca on July 27th, and then KW is going to make their final settings decisions, and then these products are going to be in a box ready to ship to C8 owners all over the world. So make sure if you want these, put your name on the wait list with us by hitting us up on live chat or calling us at 1-833-MOTOROSO. That's 1-833-668-6767. Or if you're watching this video more than 2-ish months after this was made, these products are actually available now, so we'll probably put a link already in the description, and you can get this at Motoroso.com. Hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we got tons more product coming and more developments on the 2020 Corvette, and we just can't wait to share it all with you. Thanks for watching.